Hey there everyone, in this video I want to show you how to unlock your iPhone X from T-Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Alright, so this one is from T-Mobile, as you can see. It's reading T-Mobile up here at the top. So there's actually a couple different ways to unlock your iPhone from T-Mobile. You can do it a factory unlock through a website server, through a store, a retail store, or you can also get this unlock chip right here, which this is going to be the most inexpensive way to do it. The other way to do it is also by calling T-Mobile and asking them if they can unlock it if you've owned the phone free and clear and you're in good standing with your contract. And that's definitely the cheapest way to go because it can be free if they agree to do it. If not, this is another option here, this unlock chip, unlock SIM card. Okay, this unlocks it as well, and it's also a very inexpensive route to do it as well. You can also do the factory unlock, like I said, through online website servers or through a retail store. That is going to be more expensive though, since it's a factory unlock service. It's usually over $100 and takes a couple of days to process, up to 15 days usually. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the T-Mobile SIM card here first and insert another SIM card. So it's the T-Mobile, let's put that down. And now let's put in, for example, a AT&T SIM card. Alright, so let's put the AT&T SIM card in the SIM card tray. And let's place it in the iPhone. And so we're going to try and activate it here. It's going to bring you automatically here to this activation screen. Connect to Wi-Fi and hit continue so that the phone can try to activate. So this is the message that you're going to get since the phone is locked to T-Mobile. You're going to get this message that it says SIM not supported. Since it is locked to a different carrier. Alright, so what this unlock chip is going to do is it's going to unlock it and bypass that. Alright, so let me go ahead and show you how it works. So there you go, once again, SIM not supported. Let's remove the SIM card. Okay, so we're going to place the SIM card down for a second. And let's get the unlock chip right here. You're going to place it in carefully. And like I said, I'm going to have a link down below in the description where you can buy these. Alright, so you're going to place this slanted part right here in first. And then scoot this up, make sure it's fitting in there correctly. And then place your SIM card that you're going to be using. In this example, I'm using the AT&T SIM card, but you can use any GSM SIM card that is activated. So let's go ahead and place it in carefully, like that. As you can see, the unlock chip is at the bottom. So place it in, there we go. So once again, we're at the activation screen here. So go ahead once again and hit continue once you're connected to Wi-Fi. Or if it allows you with the cellular data network. And once again, we get the SIM not supported message. All right, but now I'm going to show you what we're going to do to unlock it and make it work. So you're going to tap and hold the power button. And this menu down here is going to come up. So hit emergency call. You're going to hit star 5005 star 7672, I'm sorry, and star 0 pound. So just like that, And then once you have that in there, hit dial. And you're gonna get this menu right here. Just scroll down to edit ICCID. Okay, and then here is gonna be the number that you're gonna type in. And then one thing to keep in mind, this number changes has been changing very frequently lately. So but once you put it in and you leave your SIM card in there with the unlock chip, you're not gonna have to change it anymore. The only reason you would have to change it is if you remove your SIM card. Alright, so the number is 8901, and I'm also going to have this number down in the description. 4103 2795, oops, 2795 2915, and then 5468, and then hit send. And it's gonna say setup okay. So here, hit accept. Okay, and then once you hit accept, we're gonna have to power the phone off and power it back on. Or you can also eject the SIM card and push it back in. But I prefer to reboot the phone. Okay, so once the phone is completely powered off, just press the power button and power it back on. So once you have the SIM card inserted, just go ahead and hit continue. Okay, and as you can see, after we put in the correct code and with the unlock chip, it's gonna bypass it and unlock the phone. And if your SIM card is activated, you will pick up signal and be able to make phone calls and use data right away. Okay, and then the good thing is that after you input that code in for the first time, you don't have to put it in anymore. You can simply remove your SIM card like this. Remove the SIM card tray, remove the SIM card that you were using in there. Always make sure that when you insert the SIM card though, you insert it with this unlock chip. You need to keep the unlock chip always in there. Alright everyone, so hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like. It helps the channel out a lot. And like I said, once again, I'm always going to have the most up-to-date code in the description down below and a link where you can get this unlock chip. Alright guys, I will see you around in the next video. And as always, peace.